Despite the obstacles it faces, the country continues to be home to wealthy artists who have amassed a large fortune via their abilities to entertain people with their vocals. These wealthy musicians may boast of possessing opulent possessions, such as large homes and showy automobiles, and they typically live opulent lives. Number 9. Minister Mahendir. On bottom of our list is Minister Mahendir with a net worth of $1.5 million. On May 28, 1983, Minister Michael Mahendir was born. He is a minister of the United Family International Church and a gospel artist. He's also a businessman who's had a long and prosperous career. He has had remarkable success as a gospel musician, and he is one of the most well-known artists in the country. Number 8. Sandra Ndebele. Coming up on number 8 with a net worth of $1.8 million is Sandra Ndebele. Sandra Ndebele is a well-known Zimbabwean musician. She is a well-known musician who also performs as a dancer and actress. Yes, she is highly adaptable and has performed in a variety of locations throughout the world. Sandra is a mother who, in addition to her work in the music business, serves as a brand ambassador for organizations such as the Zimbabwe Traffic Safety Council and the Zimbabwe National Blood Service. Number 7. DJ Stivo. Next on the list is DJ Stivo with a net worth of $1.8 million. DJ Stivo was born in Kwaku, Zimbabwe, on March 17, 1979. He began teaching himself to be a DJ when he was very young, and he grew up to become one of the country's most prominent artists, amassing a large following of followers and supporters around the country. He has worked with several well-known people and has garnered numerous awards for his competence in his field. For example, at the Zimbabwe Business Awards, he received the accolade for DJ of the Year. He is married to Kudsai, with whom he has 2 children. He's obviously making a lot of money doing something he likes. Number 6. Silomani Chimbatu. Coming up on 6th position is Silomani Chimbatu with net worth of $2 million. The next person on the list is Sulumani Chimbatu. He is a well-known and accomplished Zimbabwean musician who also happens to be one of the country's wealthiest. He is a vocalist and guitarist with Dintra Music, as well as a businessman. He is a songwriter as well as a performer on stage. He is the son of Simon Chimbatu, a late Dintra Music legend. He first appeared on the scene in 2004, and his career in the music industry has been both exciting and fruitful. Apart from his achievements in the music industry, he has an influence on people in other areas. He was named the brand ambassador for the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services, for example. Number 5. Winky D. Standing on number 5 is Winky D with a net worth of $2.5 million. Winky D is a talented and well-known Zimbabwean musician. Wallace Shimiko was born on January 31, 1983. He developed into a reggae dancehall performer known as the father of Dzim dancehall. Since beginning his career as a musician, Winky D, commonly known as the Big Man, has accomplished a lot. Throughout the voyage, he has been embroiled in a number of scandals. For example, in 2010, he was supposed to perform with Capleton on New Year's Eve with a group of other males. Unfortunately, he withdrew and cancelled the scheduled performance after failing to reach an agreement with the promoters. Number 4. Alec Makeso. Coming up next on 4th position is Alec Makeso with a net worth of $3 million. Alec Makeso is another talented artist who was born on June 10, 1968, and has risen to become one of the country's wealthiest. Makeso has been exciting Zimbabwean music fans since 1998, when he first began his career. He created Vaka Aridzo, his second album, in 1999, before following up with Simbradzo a few months later. Makeso is not only a gifted musician, but also a well-known one. He is considered as one of his country's most successful vocalists, and he plays bass guitar rather well. His record Simbradzo garnered him a fortune, since it is said to be the country's best-selling album, making Makeso the best ever-selling artiste in Zimbabwe. He gets money as an ambassador for numerous products in Zimbabwe, in addition to the money he receives through his songs. In addition, the musician has been involved in charitable and humanitarian endeavors. He has paid some students school fees and appears to be an advocate for education. Number 3. Charles Shremba. Chilling with the Big Boys is a gospel musician and pastor with a net worth of $3.4 million. On April 27, 1971, Charles Shremba was born. He is a gospel musician who is well known for his talent. Shremba has had a lot of success as a gospel musician, with his CDs often becoming the best-selling gospel records in the country. Since his beginnings as a gospel musician, the preacher has made a name for himself far beyond Zimbabwe. He's gone to Europe, America, and other places. It's also worth noting that Charles' wife, Olivia, is a gospel singer who collaborates with him on song arrangements, both while he was on stage, and on his albums. Despite the fact that he has created a large number of songs, Mature Cheat is his most well-known. He and his wife have been dubbed the first family of gospel. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Number 2. JackHam, Mukadzi Mukam. Next on the list is JackHam with a net worth of $4 million. JackHam used to be Zimbabwe's richest artist, but he no longer is. Nonetheless, Zimbabwean music fans would unanimously agree that he is one of the country's top artists. Since he began his career a few years ago, JackHam has produced a wide range of songs, and he is recognized for consistently producing excellent visuals. One of the things that has given him an advantage over other Zimbabwean singers is that he has collaborated with a number of well-known African musicians, including Davido and Yemi Alade. JackHam is not only musically gifted, but also well-known and well-liked, with a large following. He is a wealthy man with several residences and high-end automobiles. Number 1. Bonnie Doishel. On top of our list is Bonnie Doishel with a net worth of $5 million. Bonnie Doishel is the wealthiest musician in Zimbabwe. She is well recognized as the co-founder of the Celebration International organization. She is the pastor of one of Zimbabwe's most important churches, with Tom, her husband. Bonnie is not just a teacher, but also a recording artist and songwriter, which brought her to this list in the first place. She is a worship leader with 5 lovely children. Thank you for watching.